Hi, I'm David Squeezaniki, and thanks for watching again. I'm the CEO of the Link Up Media Group of companies, which owns USA Credit Repair. Wanted to give you a credit tip today. Did you know that paying your bills on time account for 35% of your credit score? Yes, it's true. It accounts for 35% of your credit score. Facts. So pay your bills on time. And if you are going to be late with your bill payments, simply give your creditor a call and say, hey, I'm going to be late this month. What can you do for me? Can you forgive that late payment? More than likely, they will, but you need to be proactive, ladies and gentlemen. And if you do end up with late payments, I do have that company. I do know the CEO of it, and he can actually help you to repair that credit of yours. Reach out to USA Credit Repair and tell them that you had a few late payments, you had a few inquiries, a few negative infractions on your credit, and they'll take care of it. I do have attorneys working for me. I do have paralegals, top dispute managers working for me for the past 15 years. And they all want to help you. Other than that, you can also work on your credit yourself. It's just the time and how tedious it can be. So reach out to USA Credit Repair, the key to beautiful credit. You can call them at 800-509-5751. That's 800-509-5751. USA Credit Repair, the key to beautiful credit. Don't forget to give me a call. Ask for me by name. Yeah, as a CEO, I do take calls. Out of my 127 employees, I do take calls. Thank you so much for watching. And remember that credit tip. Pay your bills on time. If you're going to be late, give your creditors a call and let them know you'll be late. Or even set up your bills to be an auto pay. Thank you so much for watching. USA Credit Repair, the key to beautiful credit. All compliments of the Link Up Media Group of companies. Have yourself an amazing day.